It's like so much outside of like the realm of like your traditional athletics and competitive things, what they call Coopertition. So it's that idea that like you're helping each other out all the time, approaching everything with kindness and openness. Just getting to be a part of that early on, I think is super cool.
You want to work together with everybody because that's the whole point of FIRST. When we're at those competitions, there's more of an emphasis on actually working on the robot, build towards that like engineering and programming and coding aspect. I'm one of the drivers of our robot and I'm one of the main engineering people.
Watching them grow from the moment that they start to where they end up and really seeing the pride on their faces for what we created that ourselves. That's really what this is about too, is to really instill that type of desire to pursue these types of fields in the future and get those skills while we're here so that they can be one step ahead as they graduate high school.
Robotics is so much more than the robot. But robotics is about teamwork, it's about growing as a community. It allows students to try all sorts of new things in terms of 3D printing of parts, using different programming languages with mentors who are also in the community. But it's also about showing our kids how to apply that technology in a variety of different ways.